Hello and welcome to the Best One training videos. Today we're going to be talking about how to look up customers using the city and state and how to look up vendor account customers. To start off, I'm starting here in the main work order and invoice screen, so I'm going to add a new ticket to the system by clicking on Add New. Now I need to know what the account number is for that customer, so I'm going to look it up by using the magnifying glass. And as you see here on the screen, using our show onlys, I can narrow down any search that I need using the vendor customer number, and then exclude vendors customers, and the city state is right up here as well. Now if I don't know what the vendor that I'm looking for is going to be, I can click on the magnifying glass and it'll bring up a list just like this. So since I'm going to be looking up a Bridgestone account, I'm going to simply click on Bridgestone and it'll automatically fill that in for me. And as you notice that when I chose that vendor, it automatically unchecked the exclude vendor customer box for me. Now as an example, I want to look up the UPS vendor, and every Bridgestone customer starts with BS and then their name. So I'm going to do BS UPS, and as you see here, there's a lot of customers, and for me to grab the correct customer could take a while for me to search. So instead, I'm going to come up here and use the city state to narrow it down, because I know that my UPS customer is based out of Evansville, Indiana, and when I choose the city state, it brings up both of their accounts. Now since both of these are from Evansville, I don't know which one is the correct account. I can change my view a couple of different times, and as you see, this field is the one that keeps changing on me. Eventually, I will get to the vendor customer number. And if this is the customer that I need, I can just simply double click and it'll bring the Madden Co. account number into the field for me. Now that's one way to search, but if your customer comes in and he automatically knows what his Bridgestone account number is, which is going to be different than the Madden Co. number, all I have to do is yet again search for the customer like I just did and come over here and search by vendor customer. So now it says start at vendor customer number, which their vendor customer number is 314738. So when I type that in and click the green arrow or hit enter, it'll automatically bring up that UPS vendor customer that I was looking for. So then I just simply double click on it and it brings that number back into here for me. This concludes how to look up customers using city state and how to look up vendor customers using their account number.